different, like yellow, yellow.
Giving you like this and
We'll have a quick chit chat. Okay.
So
India, US, Europe, everywhere else.
Happy to see my logo here. Community partner, SAS UI.design. Arjun, can you take a picture? How are you?
I'm fine.
Hey Akshay, how's going?
Hi Rakesh, it's going great.
The main stall area. I met with Chameli. Now I'm waiting for Hari. We'll have a quick chit chat.
Depend on Bombora. Distribution. This is a platform where you will have all the
okay.
intent of selected.
We'll have ice cream and coffee.
Basically, the thing is that at African Capital Lab, we are a New York headquartered company and we have our India subsidiary in Bangalore. We are running a 100 million fund to provide us a non-dilutive capital or revenue-based finance to the SaaS company in India-US corridor. And we generally try to fund 20 to 65% of your ARR. And the ticket size that we offer is from 25K to 2 million. We provide without equity. Event is good.
It is good. Great.
basically providing infrastructure as a service.
Okay.
So we are providing services as AWS, Azure, and GCP. We have 32 data centers across the globe, and we have 3 data centers in India. And Vulture is known for its cost-effective solutions.
So what we are doing is like our future is to build this digital global bank. Focus is on streamlining the expenses for any organization, be it like indirect expenses or the direct expenses. All of that can be automated with a single dash. We are a customer success solution for B2B SaaS companies. We raised $4 million in seed round. We have now around 50 customers all over India, US, Europe, everywhere else. We slash churn. We improve upsells for B2B SaaS companies. That's what we do.
So you reduce churn.
Reduce churn, improve upsells, give you a better visibility of your customers' health, so that you know which customers to focus on and who take care of. That's what we do.
Great. So how's this event going so far?
Good fun event there. It's always like there are 2 good events in India for SaaS. This is one of them. So very nice to be here. We'll always be part of this event. We will also small sponsors in the same time. So it's fun.
Provide a universal compute infrastructure for AI. Now this allows you to combine GPU capacity from 14 plus clouds and 100 plus data centers, offering you a scalable, secure infrastructure which is cost effective for
It is
custom
on top of like AWS and all.
AWS, Azure, GCP, then apart from that there are more cloud providers. So the main idea here is you require a lot of compute power for running your LLM workloads. And cloud providers, sticking to a certain cloud provider will restrict you in terms of GPU availability. For example, you might not get quotas. Now we eliminate that. We allow you to scale across globe for your LLM workloads. The event has been going pretty good.
This is the first time you're coming to SaaS Insider?
SaaSCon, it's our first SaaSCon.
Yes. Let us know about
At Revant, what we are essentially doing is we are helping you to book more demos. So essentially, if there is a potential, if there is a company, you as a company come to us, you say, I want to book more and more demos. So you come to us, you create campaigns, you tell your ICP, Then what we do is we source potential leads for you. Then what we also do is we're generating emails for you. And once the email is sent to client, we help we reply for you, we follow for you, everything until the final aim is in your calendar. You will find a demo.
Okay, so you help them to find the demo, or you help them to close the demo, basically.
Not close the demo, we help you to schedule the demo.
Schedule the demo.
Schedule the demo, and that too at a scale. So essentially, an SDR, if an SDR can book us 7 to 10 demos, we help them to book 50 demos. So essentially, it's like a co-pilot for you, for your SDR. It will help you book 10x more demos.
Different, like ये लोग
how's it going?
ये लोग कुछ और करके आए. What is this? Now बताओ.
Your revenue pipeline is always close to our heart, so this is the revenue pipeline, and that's what we're saying.
भाई तुमको ना. So what is this?
How you got
बताओ.
So we've that we are a marketing and demand gen agency. We're trying to tell everybody and SaaS companies that your revenue pipeline is always near to our heart, and we'll do anything for it. So your revenue pipeline is our responsibility.
Same?
No.
नहीं. अलग है. टोपी तो कलर देख के लगता है ऐसे ही है.
So we are more focusing on the DevOps side, and we are showing that this broken funnel is giving you nightmares, and we are here to solve it.
You read deja vu, seeing the broken funnel.
Save anywhere between 5 to 10% of your dilution from your pre-seed to Series B journey. Right? So I think with AI, if you get the product right, I think you can get to scalable customer acquisition faster.
See, meet Kevin.
I didn't know I was coming until 1 hour back. Someone called me and said, "Would you like to drop by?" I said, "Yeah." And then
See,
I came up with a fictional name, just
what's the name?
Garner. And I just drop by. I help companies. That's it.
Super shy, but okay. Let me try. So we build profiles. So effectively, our job is to try and identify signals to find the right company at the right time, and then establish whether it's a high value or low value company. If it's a low value company, send it on a fully automated, low touch cadence. High value, then bring your sales reps in, get them to make cold calls at the right time. Trigger some LinkedIn ads if we have to with that. Track LinkedIn posts of all the leads, push the relevant posts to a Slack channel.
Across all sizes, but we try to focus upwards of 200K types. But with services, what happens is you develop a product and then it goes to a maintenance. So it's usually a long term.
The sales cycle I hear are very long.
Sales cycles are longer than 4 to 5 months usually.
हम लोग Sales and E के co-founders हैं. We are doing 2 million ARR bootstrap based out of Ahmedabad, and yeah, we are here. राकेश भाई हमारे बहुत अच्छे दोस्त हैं. ये लोगों उन्होंने ही बनाया.
Yeah, thanks. It is really nice being here. लोगों से मिलना हुआ. इंडिया की SaaS story बहुत अच्छे से grow कर रही है. So we are proud to be part of.
Getting a tech stack for marketing and sales specifically for different stages, specifically focusing on early stage. Ki road to 1 million mein, what should be your preferred stack and how you should be deciding what stack you should be.
मतलब जो सॉफ्टवेयर यूज करने के लिए
टूल्स आप यूज कर रहे हो, आप ओवरवेलम हो जाते हो, आपको कुछ समझ नहीं आता, यू स्पेंड अ लॉट एंड देन स्टिल यू डोंट हैव एनी आंसर्स. सो व्हाई नॉट स्टार्ट व्हेन यू आर एट स्क्रैच एंड इन्वेस्ट इन इट. By invest I don't mean money, I mean effort, so that आगे चल के प्रॉब्लम ना हो.
To make this happen, how to grow very fast, how to have the right set of team members and all of that. So that is what is going on in the VC's mind when you're meeting them, right? So yeah, but this is like the golden rule. Like if your company is doing this, like you will get money like no tomorrow. In public markets or private markets. This is a SaaS checklist I have created for my companies. If you're pre-revenue, people typically look at team and market size. Once you get to $1 million in ARR, the questions which are asked from you keep on increasing because you're going to raise more and more capital, right? So that is why you need to take care of this. But in the beginning, just think of having a kick-ass team, having a great market size, and which problem which you're solving. Because choose the problem very correctly. A lot of times people start building without actually talking to customers.
So finally, I met with Hari and Shamili. You know, it is very hard to catch them. Now, let's hear from them how the event is going on. Their expectation matches or not. Let's hear from them.
All the 3 years combined, this year has had the best reception and the best kind of people, and everything is just so pumped up right now. What do you think, Anik?
Yeah, see, what I feel is as long as people have a good time, good conversation, it's good to go. And we are seeing that happening. I'm just happy that these conversations are going on. That's all.
Just out and out networking.
Keeping networking as priority. So one thing that we did, different this time is post lunch, day one afternoon. So you'll have companies that recently did their revenue milestones come and talk about how they did it. Not some outdated content.
5 million, 10 million.
Yeah, how they hit 1 million, how they did 10 million, how they did 5 million, all in the recent past, not 5-10 years back. So that's a really valuable insight that's happening today, and networking with VCs, founders, and yeah, tomorrow is all about workshops and open conversations. That's it. Growth Spree is always somebody to look at
they
for.
always come up with something new.
Yeah, every event is something that you really look up to. What is Growth Spree going to do this year? So what is Malav going to do this year?
That should be our benchmark.
Yeah.
Cool. Thank you so much. Thank you.